Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. In today's video, I'll be giving you 3 powerful praise bass lines you can start using, okay? If you're interested, I recommend you watch the video to the end. But before I start the breakdown, I do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So the song will be available for you to download. Watch the video, it's gonna pop up over here. Click on the link, it will take you to where you can download the song for free. Then you can start to practice with the song, okay? But unfortunately, I won't be playing the song in this video, okay? Because it's having a copyright strike. So you have to watch the video by clicking on a link. It will take you direct to where the video is. Then you come back and watch the bassline breakdown, okay? So now let's go and watch the first groove. Click on this link to take you direct to where the video is, okay? Okay, welcome back. Okay, so now let me break down the progression. It was played on key G sharp, okay? So it is very, very simple. Da 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 da. That's the first part, okay? So how can you groove this on bass, especially when you're playing on praise? So from your 1 to your 4, da da 1 3 4. To your 1, so 1 3 4, you slide to your 7, then block on your 1 octave, then you descend to your 6 7 6, you have your 6 here. You can either use the second shape 1 7 6, you understand, okay? But I recommend you use this 6 because you'll be going to your 2 from here and your 5 and your 1, okay? So 1 7 6 da 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 2 progression, 5 5 and 1 progression, okay? So when you play 1 7 6, so you'll be going to your 2 progression, and this is what I did. So you'll be playing the 1 sharp 2, okay? You pluck on the 1 sharp note, hammer on the 2 note, and then pluck on the root 2. So it goes like this. Yeah, let me take it slow for you. Now to your 5, you'll be playing your 4 sharp in your 5, hammer on 5, and pluck on 5. Okay, but the song I did it this way. Okay, but you can also do it. Okay, so it is 2 ways. Either you do it 4 sharp 5 5, then to your 1 7 1 1, or you can do it 4 sharp 5 7 1 1. So now let's continue the song. 2 2 2 5 1 1 1 6 2 2 2 5 1 2 3. Just one progression, okay? So the progression is 2 5 1 6 2 5 1 6. Okay, so this is what I did on that progression. 2 2 4 2 5 5. You understand? Take it slow. 2 2 4 2 5 5. Then to your 1 to your 6. 1 1 3 1 7 6. Again to your 2 2 2 4 2 5 5. Your 1 1 2 3. You understand? So when you've done practicing it, speed it up. 1 2 3 6. So when you're done playing the 1 2 3, start from your 6 6 2 2 4 2 5 5 1 3 1 7 6 2 2 4 2 5 5. Then you can end 7 1 1. You understand? Okay, so now let's go and watch the second groove by clicking on this link, okay? Welcome back. So the praise line goes like this. It's just like, it looks a little familiar with the first one, so you won't be doing that one. You understand? So that is 1 5 1 2 5 1. So this is what you'll be playing on that progression. Okay, so let me show you how to pluck. It is two ways. Either you play, you see four notes. So the first note are 2, you see, then you continue, you see, or you can even do the 4 notes on the 2. So that is 1 1 3 1 5 5 1 1 1 1 3 1 5 5 4 notes to your 2. So 2 2 2 2 4 2 5 5. Your 2 4 5 5. Okay, and the other part where it says da 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 da, the progression is 2 5 1 5 2 5 1. Okay, so learn this Makossa line to that portion. Okay, okay, so 6 2 2 2 2 5 5 5 5 5 5 1 1 1 1 5 5 5 5. Then the third 5 5 5 5 you will be taken to the next progression. 5 5 2 2 2 2 5 5 5 5 5 5 1 1 1 1. Just like that. But you need to be very fast. Okay, the Makossa start from your 6 6 2 2 2 2. You understand? Okay, and the other way I played it to spicy the Makossa bass line. I'm bringing it in. You understand? So when you're going to your 2 4 3 2 2 2 2 5 5 5 4 3 3 3 5 5 5 4 3 2 2 2 2 5 5 5 5 4 3 3 3 5 5 5. Just like that. Okay, you understand? Okay, so now let's go and watch the third bass line, okay, by clicking to the slate. So this is a little bit easy, so let's go. Okay, so 1 3 4 4 6 7 1 1 6 6 7 1 2 2 5 5 6 7 1 1 3. So your 4 you block it 2 times, then 6 7 1 1 6 2 times, 7 1 2 2. Okay, then 5 5 again. You can learn this to your 4. So when you are doing this, you are using 2 progression. So 4 1, that is where you bring. You understand? So 4 and 1, you bring in this groove. Even in 1 5 progression, you can do it. So 1 1 3 4 5 5. So know this trick. It is you using 2 progression. That simple groove is going to cover that 2 progression up. So 4 and 1. So 6 and 2. You see, 6 7 1 2 2. 5 and 1. See, 5 6 7 1 1. That is the groove to that portion alone. Okay. Okay. It's very simple. Okay. 1 4 4 4, plucking the 4 3 times. Okay. 1 4 4 4 5 5 5 7 5 1. Then you come to your root 1 1 5, octave 1 1 5. You understand? So you pluck the 5 2 times. So just like that. Okay, so these are the 3 powerful bass line you can learn and master and start using them out there. Okay, so what I'll say is just the few ones you have learned. This is very nice, and you can learn that, and this one too, very groovy. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.